Just another amazing day in paradise, getting blown over, and I'm teaching a few whitefish not to put shiny things in their mouth or they'll get gripped by a girl. Yay. So how's your week? Check out what I've been up to. Last week, knowing that the river was due to come up because we were going to have such a nice warm weekend and some of the low elevation snow was going to melt, bringing the river up, making it a little discolored. On Friday, however, the river was still perfect. So I thought I would do one more underwater of all the little trout that live here. I did get some photos, which I will include in the video. However, I've lost one of my GoPros, damn it! So I'm fishing for my camera. It's in about 5.5 feet of water. It is wedged in between blowdown sticks, mud, I don't know what. I do have it attached to monofilament and a spool of tippet. However, I can't pull it up. I feel it come up and it hits, I come up and it hits. So, I'm gonna try. Because tomorrow, I'm headed to the big hole and I wanna bring my camera. If I lose this one, then I'll only have 4. This is one of the new GoPros, so it's pretty important I find it. Anyways, wish me luck. Oh well. Damn it! I just can't see what's down there. I couldn't see it then, I can't see it now. So, I'll tie this off and hope. I headed to the big hole to visit friends. I had heard about a very deep spring hole that had beautiful green water and fish living in it. I thought I would send the drone to explore. Trains only pass by this location a couple times a week. What are the odds? All right, I have lost the last 2 flies that I'm going to for today. Damn it. There's been a marsh brown hatch most every afternoon. Not this afternoon, go figure. It is just so cold and windy. If they did hatch, I don't know what would happen to them. You can hear trees and stuff snapping up on the mountain. Really cold. Anyways, I won't give up. Next week, we're gonna have some marsh brown action. I've got a killer fly that the trout just can't get enough of when there's marsh browns hatching. It's called the hatching pupa. I'll tell you all about it and the creator next week. Hey, see you then.